What's up, YouTube? Woke up this morning to find a scratch on my truck. Scared the crap out of me. But I think it's just like a rub or something. Maybe one of our detailing carts roped up against it. I'm gonna see if maybe a little polish will take it off. We're gonna use a little bit of V38 Chemical Guys polish. See if it comes off. How bad that scratch was? Yeah, turn it on. Alright, YouTube. So you see with a little bit of polish, Chemical Guys V38, I was able to take it off. It was a nasty scratch. Scared the crap out of me. But now it's good as new. Ready to go.